Hello everyone and welcome back to How Logical. We are back with another video, and in this tutorial we will be showing you how to change your date of birth on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram application. Once you're inside the Instagram application, click on your account icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you into your profile page. Now click on Edit Profile under your profile picture. Now scroll down and tap on Personal Information Settings. From this page, you will be able to find the Date of Birth section. You can change your date of birth from this page directly if you have opened your Instagram account independently from your Facebook. If your Instagram account is made from your Facebook account, tap on Update on Facebook. You will now be asked to log in to your Facebook account. Enter your email address or your phone number and your password to log into Facebook by clicking on the login button. This will take you into your Facebook profile edit page. From here you can change your date of birth. When you're done, scroll down and press on the save button. This will update your date of birth onto Instagram as well. So that's all for this video. If you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.